Hey everyone, Brett Gurney here, coming to you with some more Brett Gurneyisms today. Got something cool. I think it's cool, but I'm kind of a geek that way. It's like, you know, when I'm doing something with software or whatever it is, but if there's some buttons that you can push there and I don't know what they are, or if there's something going on there and I don't know what it is, I have to know. Okay, so by golly, I'll figure it out. I don't, whatever it takes. And so anyways, I'm kind of messing around with something today. It has right to do with, this is really cool, right to do with YouTube. But it allows a person that's creating a video that at the end of the video, it's called an end screen. At the end of the video, you can direct people to another channel, another video, or to subscribe to your channel, or even to an external website, and it becomes clickable right on the video screen. Okay, which is really cool. And the way that it works is that you've got anywhere between 5 and 20 seconds at the end of a video to be able to incorporate or apply this, what they call this end screen. Okay, and so what you have to do is you have to plan that out when you're creating your video like I'm doing. And so I had to create a video in order to figure this out. So I just thought, well, heck, while I'm doing it, I might as well do it in a way where I can show y'all this thing. Okay, and so while you're creating your video, you've got to leave 20 seconds, and you got to try to time it that way, at the end of the video for this end screen. And I'm just going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. So starting, and I can't really see the timer very well, so I'm just going to hope that I'm within the 20 seconds. So what I'm doing right now obviously is the main part of the video, and then you would go to the end of the video where the end screen is, and we'll just pretend that that's happening right now. So hey, thanks y'all for tuning into my video. Appreciate it. Listen, before you go, I've got 3 quick things I want you to take a look at. My how-to playlist, and it is right there. My network marketing company, and it is right there, right up there. And then the last one, subscribe to this channel so that you can get more internet marketing tips, tricks, and techniques, and that is right there. So thanks, and we'll see you again soon.